USA! USA!
This is what I got the fries.
That's what I'm talking about.
We're outside of City Hall.
City Hall, yeah.
Yep, at Haven Brothers.
So we're about to find out.
So we're actually parked right behind the truck right now. So
illegally, but
I've only had fries from here, and then I was drunk as fuck, so I don't really remember what it tastes like.
I mean, this is junk food at the end of the day.
Yep. So we've been drinking tonight. We've been doing hookah, so we can get the proper experience.
Oh, is that?
Let me get a shot of this.
Yes. All the way?
Oh my god. Alright, take this.
Yes. You want American or nacho cheese? Provolone. You don't have provolone?
Swiss. Okay, American cheese.
Oh, what y'all gonna order?
Yo. Oh shit.
Somebody told me to get the Gusto burger.
I'm trying to get I don't know, I can't eat half of the shit on this menu. So I'm trying to make it happen.
Yep.
No matter what.
Where you from?
I'm from Boston.
Okay, Boss Town.
7981, that's my
Oh shit.
nephew.
I heard Ludacris said that on one of his songs.
Yeah, but it's ours. I ain't Ludacris though. Yeah, we from the hood, it's from Dorchester.
Oh, I heard about Dorchester.
Yes.
I know, okay.
Every day, all day. Every day, all day.
Yeah, what should we get? Have you guys been there before?
I got mozzarella sticks.
Okay,
and,
you got the mozzis.
Steak and cheese.
Okay.
You can never go wrong with steak and cheese.
What'd you get? Dorchester, what'd you get, Dorchester?
I'm
a steak and cheese. I am from Dorchester, right now.
Where you from?
What you recording from? Where you from?
You a priest?
Let's make some room. That's what I like.
Hell yeah.
Let's keep it moving.
Let's keep it moving.
Hey, we were next in line. Where'd you come from?
I'm sorry. Okay, wait, you're next. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, we got you on camera. We're gonna sue you.
Yeah, so sorry.
I don't even know what to order. What should I order?
Yo, I'm thinking French fries sound really good right now.
So where are we right now? What is the spot that we're in right now? Is this New York system?
I have no idea.
I have no fucking clue. I'm just fucked up.
This is New York system?
This is delicious though. I'm so excited for this.
I heard
It's gonna be delicious.
We have about 25 drunk college students here.
That's where all the business come from.
We're physics conference, man.
Oh, awesome. Oh.
There's a lot of really cool things happening in physics right now. In 2015, they discovered the blue wavelength of LED. So now we have white light LED lights that are cheap and affordable, decreasing the amount of wattage needed to power houses by about 20 times. So that's absolutely amazing. That's and it's very cool stuff. We have that going on. We also just about a year ago we actually discovered a black hole for the first time ever.
Basically, it's an area of very high density, and the fabric is based on that sucks in everything, even light. I don't know.
So
is that a good way to say that?
So let me give you kind of an idea of what a black hole is and like the density of it. So let's take a singular 1 centimeter cubed piece of it, like a sugar cube, right?
Yeah.
The amount of mass in that singular sugar cube, if we were talking about the density of a black hole, would be the number of cars, all transportation units in all of North America combined, squished down into a singular square cube centimeter.
What?
That's how dense these objects are. So let's talk about the Earth, right?
Let's go, baby! Let's go,
This is what I got the fries.
That's what I'm talking about.
USA Pride!
Hey, y'all all on Instagram. Say what up. Say what up.
What up?
Yeah, baby.
USA Pride!
Woo!
So we just got our food from Haven Brothers. So Haven Brothers is rated one of the worst restaurants in Providence, according to my Instagram followers. From Providence.
What'd you end up getting?
Not LA, not you. I got the Gusto.
But cheese.
This shit's a burger with my shit's a burger with egg in it.
I'll tell you how the fries taste right now.
ended up getting a garbage plate over here.
So what is what is a garbage plate?
A garbage plate is a whole bunch of cheese and fucking and a whole bunch of other shit. I got it's mozzarella sticks, cheese bites, onion rings, chicken tenders, French fries covered with cheese.
Okay, Ruben.
So
y'all keep it real with you?
I'm about to be constipated for the next 5 days. B.
Worse than New York
You
system.
don't know bullshit? This is so trash. It's so good.
Oh, it's like that.
It's like trash food.
Okay.
You gotta be under the influence, so.
I have no idea what the hell I just ate. But the cheese just overpowered that shit.
Oh, damn. Is that a good thing? Cheese is good.
It's just cheesy. So I don't know if it's good or bad. It's just a whole bunch of cheese. It's just weird.
After a few drinks, this doesn't taste bad.
Yeah.
It's bad.
So and you're on. So you just got fries, bro?
I don't go with cheese.
Grilled cheese. Do you like the fries? Yes or no?
They're trash. They're only good because we under the influence. Only reason why.
In your current state, are these fries good? Do you like them? Yes or no?
I'll do 2 ratings. Sober, -1.
How can you give a sober rating?
You ain't even sober, B.
Drunk, a 3+.
Out of 4?
Out of 10.
Oh shit.
That's fucked up.
Okay,
I'm
3+.
keeping real with y'all.
That's fucked up.
All right.
Y'all want the real shit?
Wendell.
Yeah, this garbage plate. All I taste is cheese. I don't taste any food.
So what's in? Can we see what's in your plate? Can you show us?
So right now is chicken tenders. This way. Chicken tenders, onion rings, mac and cheese bites.
So have you tried everything on there?
Yeah.
And they all taste like cheese?
It just tastes like cheese. It tastes like a big fucking container of cheese.
Yo, my guy.
So
my guy, look at what a grilled cheese look like.
Yo, they didn't even cut it.
Look at this.
Yo, they didn't even cut it.
Right, oh,
This is a grilled cheese.
That cheese look cold, bro.
That cheese look cold. They ain't even cut it. You had to do it yourself.
That's pretty stretchy for.
Yeah. I'm telling you, this plate, it'll fill you up. It's their signature plate. I asked the lady, I was like, yo, what's your most selling plate? She said the garbage plate.
The garbage plate.
Like, all right.
Does it taste like garbage?
It's just a whole bunch of cheese. So you just gonna be shitting in the garbage.
Yeah, let's see. I like that.
So
I've done that.
It'll fill you up for the night. Your little drunkness will go away for a little bit. It'll cure that, like sober you up a little bit. But
okay.
other than that, I want to get it sober. I'll tell you that right.
Facts. Let me try one. Can I try? Do you mind?
Reach in.
Thanks.
Help yourself, brother.
That's what she said. Yeah. Not impressed. Okay. So we got. Looks like a potato, but oh shit! This looks like the fucking the sausage they give you at McDonald's breakfast.
That looks worse. That looks like the make-believe patty.
But they give you another burger underneath, some lettuce and shit. So let's see.
You didn't say so it's not that good.
There's it's like a frozen patty you buy from like Stop and Shop. Then you throw in the griddle without salt, pepper. It just bubbles in its own water.
Oh, so they must have with the restaurant people.
It's not seasoned at all. It's not that bad, but it's not seasoned at all.
I mean, what do you expect?
It just tastes like a slab of meat on some bread. I don't think it's nasty, but it's not good. You know what I mean?
What would you do? Alright.
I can make
When
way
you're
better than
drunk.
this in my house.
When you're drunk, would this
Nah, I wouldn't.
be sufficient?
It'd be sufficient, yes. But I wouldn't order this again. No, because I know how it's not seasoned. I wouldn't order it again.
Would you tell them to season it? If you
I'd
go
ask
back?
them to salt and pepper. Yes, I would. I'm very honest when I order. Except I'm not honest to the people I talk to inside the restaurant.
Yo, can y'all hold this?
Haven Brothers. Sober? Would you come here sober?
Nope, absolutely not.
Nah.
Wendell?
Nah, I'm good.
Okay. On a drunk night in downtown Providence, would you come here?
The convenience, yeah. Just because if I'm down here and I don't gotta go anywhere else after I leave here, besides home, yeah, I'll do it.
Okay. Let's say you're not downtown.
Nah, I wouldn't make my way back here to get some.
Making my way downtown.
Walking past faces, passing home down.
All right, so if you're from LA or New York, Haven Brothers, yeah or nay?
Nay.
All right. I want you, that lady who took our, no. The lady who took our order, I want you to.
She was real nice. Though.
Ruben, nice. No, I want you to give her a personal message about how you feel about the food, and I'm going to send it directly to her.
Listen, baby. I know you was good with services.
Band's trying to hit.
Hey, man, maybe a cold night.
Hey, one of the stragglers will walk by.
She might release all income tax on me. No. Don't put that in that.
Constructive criticism will you give to the cooks?
Get some people with flavor.